Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone in our class of Finance and Banking, class 9 and 10. Today we are going to discuss the topic of chapter 6, cost of capital, and our today's topic is zero growth model. Let's start. Cost of common stock. At first we have to know is this. Cost of common stock mainly depends on the dividends paid by the shareholders. Companies are not always obliged to pay dividends to ordinary shareholders, and dividends on these shares are not always the same. Dividends may not always grow at a fixed rate at all, and so based on the different types of dividend paid, there are generally three ways to determine the cost of common share capital or equity, and these three ways are zero growth model, fixed growth model, and capital asset pricing model. In our class today we are going to discuss the first method of determining cost of common stock, that is zero growth model. Zero growth model assumes that the same amount of dividend will be paid to shareholders now and every year. That is, the amount of dividends payable and paid will never increase or decrease. Shareholders will receive a dividend of the same amount each year. According to this method, the formula of determining the cost of ordinary share capital is KE equal to D1 by P0 into 100. Here, D1 means dividend at the end of year 1 or the amount of dividend payable at the end of the year. And the P0 means price at year 0 or the current market value of ordinary shares. Here is the example for our better understanding. Let's see. If ABC company currently pays a dividend of Taka 20 per share, and if those shares are sold in the market at Taka 120 per share, what is the cost of equity of the company? Here, the amount of dividend payable at the end of the year 1 is Taka 20. That means D1 is Taka 20. And the current market value of the ordinary share is Taka 120 per share. So, P0 is Taka 120. We are putting the values in the formula of ordinary share capital expenditure, that is KE equal to D1 by P0 into 100. And here is 20 divided by 120 into 100. The result is 0.1667 into 100, that is 16.17%. So the cost of equity of the company is 16.17%. I hope you will understand this, and it is very easy method for determining cost of common stock. If you practice, you will get it and you will be able to do it. So here is 3 homework for you. Hope you will do it and inbox me after for showing it. If there is any problem, inform me. Thank you.